you want to really master trading, you have to understand that you don't need to know everything about the markets. You just need to understand how to make money from the markets on a consistent basis. Let me break down this trade I took yesterday on pound USD and the reasons I took it, where I took it, as per my live execution right here. Now, firstly, from a higher time frame point of view, on a daily time frame on Euro USD, we are working out of this area of imbalance. And we also had divergence between Monday and Tuesday with regards to Euro USD, where you can see this high being taken, as opposed to on pound USD, where Tuesday failed to break above Monday's high. That means there's a cracking correlation to the downside, meaning that pound USD is showing relative strength to go lower. Now, when we had the news release yesterday, pound was showing an unwillingness to go higher than the London session high, as where Euro USD went higher than the London high. That again is divergence in the market, and divergence is one of the most powerful tools for recognizing a potential reversal. So now I'm focusing on this bearish order block which has been created after divergence, and I'm looking to enter off the retest of this order block. I'll continue to post more trade breakdowns just so you can understand the simplicity behind the setups and my thinking behind them. I'll be very transparent with my wins as well as my losses. If you're looking to learn how to trade and you want to finally become consistent,